I went all the way from Canada to the Philippines to do this. Welcome to Dating Strangers, so you don't have to.
Hello there.
Ikaw pala yan! Ikaw na pala yan! Hello! This is Ralph. I met him a couple of times already through our mutual friend Isabel, but he's still somewhat a stranger to me. He does dating and fun relatable content, so I thought he'd be perfect to be the first stranger that I date in this series. Let's try if he really is dateable, or in Filipino term, joable. Oh, wow naman! Hello! Kamusta? Gogi! Thank you!
Excited ka na ba?
Hindi.
Bruh.
Driver.
May idea ka na ba kung saan tayo pupunta?
No.
Papipiliin kita.
Oh my God! How?
May dala akong ampaw. Dito nakasalalay ko ano yung gagawin natin.
Oh my gosh!
Meron akong dalawang ampaw ngayon. Ito natin. Chinese New Year na halos eh, diba?
May lahi ka bang Chinese?
1/3.
Oh? Seryoso?
Mukha lang.
Mukha ka
Finito
naman
lang.
eh. Okay.
Finito lang. Dito nakasalalay yung gagawin natin for today.
Okay, pili na ako.
Pili ka na.
Tapos same lang naman yung nakalagay.
Hindi ah.
Totoo.
Oh, yeah. Reveal.
Oh my
Hala!
Anong
Sip and paint.
Sip and paint was that?
Magka-painting tayo.
Okay. Anong sip?
May wine kasi.
Ah, okay. Guys, he's from friggin' Masbate.
Yeah.
And he speaks, what do you call that? Bisacol. Which I
Bisacol.
speak to. Pero may difference.
Bisacol.
Parang ako mag-Bicol.
Ako man? Ay, taga Masbate na akong magurang ba? Ako ni Loy. Taga Masbate.
Ah, iba na sa amin.
Iloy?
What's Iloy?
Iloy is like, I think it's mother.
Ah, okay.
Hindi ko sure kung mother lang or parents. Basta parents.
Iloy?
Yeah, Iloy.
Thank you
Welcome,
po.
welcome. Yes.
Yeah, you can use that. You're gonna wear this.
Is it your first time?
Apa?
Yes. Ay, actually ako second time ko na.
Really?
Nice! Nagkwenta ka here before.
With a different girl.
Ay, grabe naman yun, ma'am. May kinanakit ka agad.
Wala po.
So we'll just start with our flat brush for the backgrounds.
Okay
Ito
po.
makikita nyo, yellow yung una natin color.
3 hours later.
My gosh, yung ADHD ko, makakalimutan ko to. Lalagyan ko yan. Yellow agad.
Don't have to naman, copy. So,
Wow. Art.
I'm the art.
Art Angel. Art Angel. Di mo alam yung Art Angel? Art Angel.
Hindi ko talaga yan alam.
Grabe to.
Di ba magta-30 ka na?
Grabe ka sa 30.
Uy, it's a privilege na mag-30. Milestone.
Wow. Ginagawa mong gulo. Art Angel.
Hindi siya makamove on.
Lumika tayo sabay-sabay. Kakamasas na ako eh.
Ang ganda po nung sa akin, no? Actually, matagal na po akong pumupunta dito.
Well,
Nakailang mga 5 dates na.
Wow.
Char, joke. Joke lang, joke.
Ilabas ang wine.
I think satisfied na ako.
Ang love parang painting. May iba't ibang kulay.
Like,
Pula, pag masaya ka.
pula pag masaya.
Di ba pag red, ibig sabihin happiness, joy.
Ganun, kala ko pera.
O kaya Chinese ka lang.
Ako'y nagdadaling magsabi ko'y ewan na lang ngayong namunga ng pag-ibig ay
Wala ba silang tiwala sa atin? Kayang-kaya natin yung mga ganun, no? Mga portrait.
Oo nga. Parang dali lang naman yan.
Ang dali lang, di ba?
Yeah, it's so easy. Parang, it's just a person. Right? Because I make it so easy to fall in love.
Ano ba kasi? Okay na po. Masaya na kami.
Bakit di ako makaamin kapag nandyan ka na? Malayo sa
Hater.
katobehan ko.
I think it's very, very fun, especially for couples, It's a chance to get to know each other, express your creativity. Hindi lang siya pang couples, pang pamilya din siya, pang friends. So,
Next punta natin dito, family. Gusto ko 5 spice fried chicken.
pwede ka ba nun? Saan?
Ito,
Sige, okay.
5 spice fried chicken.
Magra-rice ka?
I don't think so.
Order in the court. Kung papipiliin ka ng guy na gusto mong maka-date sa isang gabi, kahit sino, someone na, personally or kahit sino.
Ngayong Valentine's.
Kahit hindi, kahit sa normal dinner, basta makasama.
Bawal family.
Bawal.
Ang hirap naman ng tanong mo.
Pwedeng friend or
Sino kaya? Sino ba? Sino? Hindi ko alam. Ikaw na lang.
Promise? Sino pumasok sa top of your mind ba?
Ayoko.
Ayaw sabihin.
Best friend ko na lang. Friend
Sino?
ko. Si Paui.
Bakit?
Halos 1 year na kami hindi nagkikita. Tapos alam kong miss na miss niya na ako.
Kung may sasabihin kay Pao, yan sasabihin mo.
Paui, date tayo pero treat mo.
Pawi, miss ka na daw niya.
Iiyak yun pag sinabi kong miss ko na siya.
We, payakin mo.
Softy yun Sa dulo. Sa dulo yan.
Bro, there's nothing inside. Ano dito? No spoons. You eat first before you,
Hindi ba dapat?
I don't know, you're supposed to read it first, and if you agree, then you're gonna eat it.
Hindi talaga ako, may 10% discount to.
Next purchase po yan.
Pero walang kapalaran.
Wala ka pala.
Ang kapalaran is 10% off. Okay, 10% off.
300 pesos off po.
Pwede mo gamitin yan ma'am till May 12 po.
Valid for 3 months.
Yes po, until May 12. Hindi mo ma'am.
Ay, makatapon. Salamat.
Ibabalik ko na po muna yan, reimburse. Tapos,
Pa 300 pa.
Now I'm done with my whole experience. I'm gonna rate it 5 out of 10.
Oh my God, grabe, bakit 5 over 10?
I'm kidding. The real rate is later.
Oh my God.
I'm finally back. Clean sheets. So you might know the guy already. He's Ralph White. He's one of my friends here in Manila, in the Philippines, and we thought, hey, we're both single. Why not go on a date together? He told me that he's gonna pick me up at 10:30. I did my thing. I did my skincare, did my makeup, chose the dress that I'm supposed to wear. Even though we're friends, you gotta look really good for this date, I think I chose the right dress, even though I look like a kid, even though I look like a schoolgirl. And then when I saw him, bro, you will not believe what he was driving. Because I was confused as hell when I saw the friggin' car. I was like, no, that's not the car. That looks like a monster truck. And then friggin' Ralph went down from that car. Then I realized, oh, it really is his car. And then after that, he opened the door for me. He made me choose something. It was actually my first time doing those stuff. Like, you're gonna choose something, like what you guys are gonna do. I picked Sip and Paint. we were gonna sip wine and then paint, and it was really, really fun. I had so much fun painting. We took some pictures and then we went to a mall to eat lunch finally, and it was already 2 p.m. or past 2 p.m. Food was so great. After that, we went to the mall. He wanted me to help him pick a Valentine's gift for his mom, and then after that, bro, I started shopping for myself.
Bagay lahat. Oo. Para may may alternative ka.
After shopping, we were done. We took some pictures again, and then he drove me back to this hotel. Ralph is such a gentleman. He opens the doors. He would always ask if the AC is fine, if you're okay, do you need some alcohol? Or like, oh, he also paid for the paint, for the sip and paint. He paid for that. And since it was a date and I was filming also, I paid for the thing because it needs for the lunch, because bro, 50-50. If you're my partner, go spend on me, buy me a lot of stuff. He was actually gonna pay for the lunch too, and I was like, no, I'm filming as well, this is for my content too, so let me pay. He's a funny guy. He's a very jolly person. He's a happy guy, and I think he would bring light to the room. And he's a very respectful guy. He could see what you're doing and he's gonna do something about it. Like if you're uncomfortable with something, he's gonna do something about it discreetly, and he's gonna think that I wouldn't notice, but I did notice. I like that he's funny. Good driving skills too. But I think I'm a better driver than him. I'm kidding.
Looking for jowa?
Oh, no, and not necessarily, pero pag may dumating, edi syempre, go na. Syempre, di ba naman mapigilan yung pag-love mo na, di ba?
So subscribe if you want more. Let me know if you guys want more.
Naman pala ako.
Oo.
Pwede
naman.
na. Pasado.
Pasado sa nanay mo.
Grabe.
Let me know, guys, if you want more of this. So subscribe and comment, follow, like, and share. If you want me to do more dating Filipinos or dating people around the world.
Bakit